Bringing to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Nigeria ranks 36th most corrupt country in 2024. Kenneth Okonkwo resigns from Abure-led Labour Party. I make 100 million naira monthly, says Gege. Now the news in detail. In a new development, Transparency International, a global coalition against corruption, has ranked Nigeria as the 36th world most corrupt country in the world. Nigeria was joined by Uganda, Mexico, Madagascar, Iraq, and Cameroon in the same spot, with a total score of 26 points. The ranking released on Tuesday highlights the 2024 Corruption Perception Index. The list ranks Denmark as the least corrupt country with 90 points, Finland as second with 88 points, and Singapore as third with 84 points. No African country made the top 10 very clean list, as it was dominated by European countries. However, Cape Verde tops the list of least corrupt African countries, despite being number 35 with 62 points. However, South Sudan, Somalia, and Venezuela are the most corrupt countries in the world for the year in review. Citing the basis of the selection and result, the chairman of Transparency International, Francois Valeria, said the 2024 Corruption Perceptions Index (CPI) shows that corruption is a dangerous problem in every part of the world. But change for the better is happening in many countries. In other news, Nollywood actor and politician Kenneth Okonkwo has resigned as a member of the Labour Party (LP). NaijaNews reports that the thespian made this known in a statement via his X handle on Tuesday, stating that the resignation takes effect from the 25th of February 2025, which marks the second anniversary of the 2023 presidential election. Giving reasons for his resignation, Okonkwo stated that the Labour Party, as presently constituted, is not in a position to be part of that political force that would determine the political future of Nigeria. Kenneth Okonkwo also cited the Labour Party's inability to conduct congresses at the world level, elect local government and state party executives, or hold a national convention. According to Okonkwo, it is evident that the Labour Party national chairman, Julius Abure, is not interested in the party's survival as he is interested in the survival of his pocket. However, Okonkwo stated that his resignation takes effect from 25th of February 2025, after which he will be at liberty to join other well-meaning and like-minded Nigerians in charting a great future of good governance for Nigeria. From the world of celebrities, financial expert Gege opens up on his monthly earnings as he reveals he charged 350,000 naira for anyone who wants to speak to him. He made this known during an interview with the content creator Egungun. The controversial financial expert revealed that he makes about 200 million naira on a monthly basis. Additionally, he noted that for consultations, he usually charges 350,000 naira to anyone who wants to speak to him. Furthermore, Gege revealed that he bought his G-Wagon for 520 million naira. Sharing a financial advice, he opined that buying a house is a financial mistake, advising people to instead rent a hotel. However, this has sparked reactions online, with some saying no one makes million and he or she comes out to brag about it, while some appreciate his art. Drop your opinion in the comment box section below and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.